Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to change background color in Design. Start with InDesign document of which you want to change the background color. Locate the Swatch panel in your workspace. If you can find it, go to Window, then Color and choose Swatches. In the Swatches panel, open Flyout menu and select New Color Swatch. Specify settings for New Color Swatch and click OK. Keep the New Color Swatch selected. Go to Toolbar and select Rectangle tool. Click and drag with the Rectangle tool holding the Shift button to create a rectangle that covers the entire page, including the bleed. Right-click on Rectangle and choose Orange. Send it back to position it as background. With the background selected, use shortcut Ctrl-L or Command-L on Mac to lock the background in place. This makes it easier to work with other objects. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.